The head of the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention, Gao Fu, says that he has been injected with an experimental coronavirus vaccine in an attempt to persuade the public to follow suit when one is approved. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and stay connected for the complete video. There are many revelations and conspiracies around the world about the coronavirus. Meanwhile, the Gao Fu, director of China's Disease and Control Prevention Center, has also taken a dose of COVID-19 vaccine, and this is undergoing investigation. After being found to be effective and safe in the investigation, this vaccine will be made available for the common people as well. In an organization webinar on behalf of Alibaba Health, a special branch of China's large electronic commerce company, Gao said, "I am sharing a secret. I have also been given a vaccine dose. Hopefully, it will be effective." The press conference reported earlier this month that a Chinese government company had examined the COVID-19 vaccine on its employees in March. It is a matter of before getting the government's consent to check on the common people. Many questions were also raised about this. However, Gao Fu, the director of Chinese Disease Control and Prevention, didn't give the clear details that when and how he took the vaccine dose. Was he part of the human test with the consent of the government? However, he did not say anything. China is involved with the companies of America and Britain in the competition to make the coronavirus vaccine first. If China succeeds, it will be its scientific and political success. China's claim is also strong because 8 of the 24 vaccines in the world reached the human test phase. Chinese officers are collecting the DNA samples of crores of people from all over the country so that they can be used as a new weapon of high-tech surveillance. Although it has not been disclosed yet whether Gao Fu took the dose with the consent of the government or not, there is no response from his side at this time. Chinese state media have also reported that the employees of the state-owned companies going abroad are being offered injections of the vaccine. Gao himself had also been under heavy scrutiny for the China CDC's initial handling of the coronavirus outbreak both at home and abroad. He largely vanished from public view for months, resurfacing again in an interview with state media in late April. And Gao also involved in the research of coronavirus and the vaccine. As the vaccine research continues, China's CDC is now looking into the potential immunization programs, trying to figure out whether to prioritize children or elderly or healthcare workers. Gao's revelations come at the time of heightened geopolitical tensions fueled by the outbreak. Beijing's delay in warning the public and releasing data at the beginning of the outbreak contributed significantly to the coronavirus spread, while Donald Trump, the President of America, and other American politicians have made unsubstantiated claims that the virus escaped from the laboratory in Wuhan, the central Chinese city where it was first detected. Gao said repeatedly in his lecture that he wanted more cooperation between United States and China, pleading for the unity even as relations between Beijing and Washington plummet to new lows. We don't want to have China and United States separated scientifically, Gao Fu said. We have got to work together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the notification button for the next video.